Hello children, welcome to English class. Today let us do some exercise grammar part from the lesson The Happy Days Always. Okay, open page number 32. We'll see the sound of C. Children, read aloud these words. See here, C-O-M-E, come. Come. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Here the letter C in the word come, the word heard as K sound will come. Which sound will come, children? K sound will come. It is called hard C sound. If the K sound comes, it is called hard C sound. The first letter C in the word cycle, the sound S comes. It is called soft C sound. If the K sound comes, hard C, S sound comes, soft C. Okay, let us see with some more lines. The letter C sounds like hard C. The letter K. Okay. The letter C sounds like hard C. The letter K sound will come when it is followed by the vowels A, O and U. For example, C-A-N, can. No, K sound will come. C-O-W, cow. Cow. So, K sound will come. And cup, C-U-P, cup. K sound will come. Okay, this is called hard C sound. Okay, the letter of C sounds like soft C, letter S. When it is followed by the vowels like E, I and consonant Y, the sound will become soft. See children, A, E, I, O, U, vowels. Right. Here, if these two were there, then the C sound will become soft. So sound will come. If these three were there, then the C sound will heard as hard K sound will come. Okay. Now for example, C-E-N-T-R-E, center. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. And cyclone, Y-C-L-O-N-E, cyclone. Here one more rule we have to see. Except for C-I, C-E and C-Y, the C pronounced as K. The C sound is pronounced as K with the exception of Ch. Exception of Ch. For example, let us see children here. Here C-O-S-T, cost. See children what they are given. Vowels, if it is followed by O is there, then it is the hard sound. Then D-A-N-C-E, dance. This C is followed by E. So this is soft. C-Y-L-I-N-D-R, cylinder. Y is the consonant. So this will be soft. C-O-A-T, coat. C-O. O means K sound will come. So hard. C-U-B, curb. Curb means U. Vowels U. It is the K sound. Hard. C-A-M-E-L, camel. So vowel A is there. So it will be hard. Fence. F-E-N-C-E, fence. E sound, soft C. So sound. Recite. So C-I, it is I is there. So what it will be? Soft. Prince, E is there. Again soft. Mice, E is there. Followed by C, E is there. So soft. Okay. Cost, K sound will come. Dance, S. Cylinder, K. Coat, K. Cub, K. camel, k, fence, soft, so sound, recite, so sound, prince, so sound, mice, so sound. Okay children, here we will discuss with one more point, that is compound words. What do you mean by compound words? Here one example they have given. After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker. Here break and fast, two words are there, right? Break plus fast are called compound words. One more. She did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. Sunshine, sunshine. Compound words are made by joining two words. Here one word, one word. Join become one big word. Okay, two words if we join, it will form a word. The meaning of the compound word is usually different from two words to use to create it. Okay, let us see with some examples. See here, sun, what is the picture? Sun. And flower, what it forms children? Sunflower. This is jelly. Jelly, jelly, fish. And it becomes jellyfish. The total different meaning is there. Jelly is a sweet syrup like based sweet dish. And fish is a water creature, water animal. If we join both the words, it will become a jellyfish. Like here, rain is coming, and this is bow. Both will form a rainbow. This is butter. Okay children, butter. And this is fly. It forms the butterfly. This is tooth. And this is brush. Both will form a toothbrush. Foot. Ball. Both will form a football. Okay children, need to write down in your classwork as well as textbook. Bye.